This will be a night to remember, not one in his fading memory, but preserved in his MiCam. In this day of smartphones and GoPro adventures, MiCam is the next step in life documenting video. The camera sees what you see, documenting your most important events and memories you want to last your lifetime. Put it on before your big event or record your kids at the park. We've invested our 4 years' experience and user feedback into creating the most lightweight wearable camera ever. It's durable and waterproof, so it fits any lifestyle or situation. Even if you just want a great webcam, you can attach it in 4 different ways: clip-on, magnet, suction, sticky mount, for virtually anywhere else. The companion app has all the typical easy-to-use camera modes and helps you organize and enhance your videos and picture with one-touch sharing, so your friends can see the amazing things you've been seeing.
I spent years searching for a tripod I could anchor, adjust, and aim while holding my breath in deep water. Couldn't find it, so I designed it. Brought it to Kickstarter. Now I'm bringing it to you. You should be able to put your camera where you want without fear and without lugging a lot of gear. With deployable stakes and multiple rigging points, you can connect PackPod in ways that let you get great shots from almost any angle. It's quick to set up, easy to stow, compact, lightweight, waterproof. Built for adventure. Whether you shoot time-lapse, still photos, or video, PackPod expands your creative possibilities. There's a lot to be said for traveling light. And there's lots of heavy tripods out there. But when you're out for the whole day, who wants to carry extra weight when you can use what's around you to steady the shot? Gear keeps getting smaller and better. Why weigh yourself down? PackPod lets you grab life's best moments fast while you're having fun. You don't have to travel heavy to capture a light moment.
We all have our own journey and choose our own path, each with a unique story to share. Capture all your adventures and more with KooCam. KooCam is the revolutionary 3D stereo and 360-degree camera to unleash the way you shoot. KooCam is the first camera in the world equipped with a state-of-the-art rotatable 3-lens camera, allowing KooCam to not only record 360-degree 4K videos, but also 3D stereo videos. KooCam comes equipped with shake-free technology, so your picture is always smooth. And its unique switchable structure allows you to effortlessly change modes to easily adapt to whatever the day brings. For every exploration, destination, or experience you share, KooCam will capture all your most memorable moments, even at 120 frames per second, for amazing effects. Shoot freely with KooCam. No matter how you position the camera, KooCam will capture it. With 3D stereo lenses and the groundbreaking depth-based technology, you can even refocus and reframe the photos after you've shot them. Our editing app allows you to use incredible technology to not only discover the best shot, but enhance them to the next level. Live stream your 360-degree panoramic or your 180 degrees of 3D space anytime, anywhere. Imagine an easy and simple way to record, edit, and share all your 360-degree and 3D moments, all in one place. KuCam uses the most cutting-edge imaging technology. We pack incredible professional features into a small camera, giving you a powerful and revolutionary new way of thinking. Explore the possibilities with KuCam, the next generation of imaging.
Hi everyone! Since our first campaign, we've shipped to 6,000 backers all over the world. Now, we are back to bring a new product. This is Mocha 360, the smallest panorama camera in the world. We achieved a compact size and 116 grams of sophisticated structure beyond the imagination. Mocha 360 applied two 7-glass lenses, superb internal quality, and f2.0 aperture to ensure better image quality. Symmetrical 220 degrees dual lens design could cover double 360 degrees recording. Using iOS and Android app to operate Mocha 360, the smooth operation on multiple filming modes frees your creative inspiration. With built-in stitching, at a click of the button, the 360-degree video could be seen on your phone or tablet. You can download it to your phone and share instantly. Mocha 360 supports live streaming, using VR glasses to review the wonderful moments or experience the scene thousands of miles away. Mocha 360 has a magnet base. Stick it on the fence of playground or lamp in the cafe. You can film without any accessory. With Mocha 360, when you film the sky, you can also film the ground you walk on. When you record a friend's smiling face, you can also take your own funny moments. When you record the scenery in front of the bike, your cheerful look could be recorded at the same moment. Regardless of soccer or rugby match, you can record the performance of the entire team. Take Mocha 360 to swimming parties or diving with the waterproof case so you can record the mysterious world 40 meters deep underwater. If you have a Mocha 360, what will you record? Please share this product with all your family and friends. Let us make it a reality.
Yes, of course.
We're gonna do like this.
This is really cool.
It's lightweight.
I could totally vlog
Flexible.
and drive with this.
Yeah, I think it's very cute. These are awesome. What are they called?
OP. Go OP. Go OP.